Hello everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do the tutorial video for this beach bag set. So this is the die set, and you will get this piece to make the front and back side, and this one is to make the shaker part. And you will also get this piece to make the side part and also a layering piece on top. So you need to cut 2 times of this piece. Then you will also get these two to make the handle part. See this scalloped edge, super cute. So also cut 2 times. And you will also get the words beach vibes and sunny days in the set that I didn't use. And so let's get started, and I have cut all these pieces out. So 2 pieces of the front and back side and 2 pieces of this, because I need to layer this on top of this one, and then 2 pieces of the handle part, and also 2 pieces of the side part, and 2 pieces of the layering piece. And I will stick the layering piece first. And now stick these 2 parts together, as there is an extra flap here, so we need to trim off this part and add glue on this part to stick it. So the side part is ready, and let's curve it a little bit. So it will look like this. And now we need to stick this part just over this part. So it will be like this. And I will add glue on this part. And we need to fold all these flaps. Stick it like so. And also add glue at this part. So this part is ready, and let's do the other part. So we also need to fold all these tabs first. And add glue on this part. So this part is sticked perfectly, right? So we add glue on the other part. And then for the rest part, just make sure that you push this part, and then it will fit in the right place, and will have no other space left out. See here, there is a space, then it's not good. You need to, like so, push it so there is no space left in these pieces. And then your bag will be better. Okay, so it will look like this. And then you need to fold over these 2 flaps and add glue on both parts, because this is to make your bag more sturdy. So it will look like this, and it will be much more sturdy. Okay, I know this part seems a little flimsy, but when we add our layering piece it will be much more sturdy. So now we could add our layering piece on top. So it will look like this, and see there is no extra space here, and this bag looks perfect. So let's do the other page. And now we need to stick this part on top. Okay, now add this part on top. So this tote bag is ready, and you could add some decorations on top. And if you want to make a shaker, then you need to cut these two pieces out, because this is the shaker part, right? And then for this handle part, if you just add that layering piece on top, this part will be empty. So you could cut another piece of this one in foam and then measure it like so, and then fuzzy cut it. And let's see the size. Well, we need to cut an extra more. So yeah, it will be something like this. Then you could add your shaker pieces inside, and then at the front side, then it will look like this. And this part, it will be covered. So just like this one that I made, see this part, I think you could see it more clearly, that this part will be hide with this set, with this part. Then you will not see this inside part, and it will have this piece with the foam, and it's much more sturdy. And also for this layering piece, you could have another way to make it. So it's like so, that you cut this piece out and use this cutout piece to make as this layering piece. So it will look like this, and it has this space, just like different pattern, two color tones of the pattern. And I think that is also very fun. So see, this part is the back side, so you could see it more clearly, that it will look like this. And I think this is also very cute. So there are two ways to make the pattern paper. One is to cut this whole piece out, and the other one is to cut this piece, just use the center cutout piece to make this layering part. So this is the tutorial for today, and hope you find it helpful. And if you have any questions, just let me know. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.